Good morning, dear students. Take out your math book and open page number 68. Today we will do page number 68 and 69. Yesterday we have done about faces and edges of the shape, and today we will do vertex. Okay, we will do vertex today. More about shapes, vertex. A corner in a shape is its vertex. Okay, corner in a shape is its vertex. Vertex is where two lines or edges meet. You can see here two lines are meeting at one point, so this is called vertex. Okay, vertex and corner both are same thing. We can also call vertex as a corner. Okay, so vertex and corner both are same thing. A corner in a shape is its vertex. Okay, it is also called corner. Count the vertices in each shape and writes. Okay, we will count the vertices in each shape and write. So I have told you what is this shape. This is cube. This is cube. I have shown you yesterday. This is cube. I have this cube. Shape of this, name of this shape is cube. Okay, this is cube. So we will count the vertices. We will count the corners where two lines or edges meet, that is called corner or vertices. Okay, so this cube has 8 vertices. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is in upside and 4 is in bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here two lines are meeting at one point. So this is called its vertices. Okay, so this cube has 8 vertices. Cube has 8 vertices. This is already wrote here. Next one, what is this? This is cuboid. This is cuboid. So this is cuboid shape. This shape is cuboid. Name of this shape is cuboid. I have told you the difference between cube and cuboid yesterday. Okay, now I am telling you again. This is cube. Okay, this is cube and this is cuboid. You can see here in cube all the faces are in square shape. Okay, all faces are in square shape, but in cuboid you can see faces are either in rectangular or in square shape. Okay, so this is the difference between cube and cuboid. Okay, now again we will count the vertices of this cuboid. So I have told you vertices are corners where two lines or edges meet. So we will count the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, four vertices this side and 1, 2, 3, 4. So cuboid has also 8 vertices. So we will write here 8. Cuboid has also 8 vertices. Now next is sphere. Okay, this is sphere. Shape of ball is sphere. So sphere has no vertices. Sphere has no vertices because sphere has 0 edge. Okay, no line segment is here. So it means it has no vertices, no corner it has. So we will write here 0. Sphere has 0 vertices. Next one is cone. So how many vertices it has? Where the two lines meet, that is called vertices. So you can see here these two lines are meeting at this point. So this is called vertices. Okay, for singular we use vertex and for plural we use vertices. So this cone has only one vertex, one corner it has. So we will write here 1. Okay, this cone has only one vertex. Vertex is in singular form and vertex is in plural form. Okay, next, what is this? Next is cylinder. Name of this shape is cylinder. Okay, now we will count the vertex here. So this has also 0 vertex. No lines are meeting at one point. So it has also 0 vertex. It has 0 corner. Okay, 0 corner and 0 vertices. Now let's move to page number 69. How well do you know shapes? Name these shapes. Content, write the edges, faces and vertices of these shapes. Okay, firstly we will write the name of this shape. So this is dice. We use for snake ladder game. Okay, this is dice and its shape is cube. So we will write here cube. Okay, so we have done edges, faces and vertices. Already we have done. So cube has how many edges? It has 12 edges. How many edges it has? It has 12 edges. Okay, edges means a line segment where two faces meet, that is called edges. So cube has 12 edges. And how many faces it has? It has 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. Okay, faces are the flat side that you touch when you hold the shape, that is called face. So cube has 6 faces. And how many vertices it has? Cube has 8 vertices. 8 corners it has. It means it has 8 vertices. Next is matchbox. Shape of matchbox is like cuboid. So name of this shape is cuboid. Name of this shape is cuboid. So both cube and cuboid have same number of edges, same number of faces and same number of vertices. Okay, so cube has 18 edges, 6 faces and 8 vertices. I have told you the difference between cube and cuboid, only the difference between its shape. Okay, cube has its face in square shape and but in cuboid its shape is either in rectangular or in square. Okay, cube has all the faces in square shape. So this is the difference between cube and cuboid. Next one is, what is this? This is cylinder. Name of this shape is cylinder. So we will write here cylinder. Okay, how many edges it has? It has 2 edges, 2 line segments. It has 1 and 2. So we will write here 2. And how many faces it has? It has 3 faces. How many faces it has? It has 3 faces. Okay. You can see here one at top and one is at bottom. 2 faces are these and one is curved surface. Okay, this is curved. So it has 3 faces. One at top and one is at bottom of the circle. And third one is its circular or curved face. Now how many vertices it has? How many vertices it has? It has 0 vertices. Okay, 0 corner it has. Okay, vertices is that where 2 lines are meeting together or 2 or more than 2 lines are meet together and it formed a corner. So it has 0 vertices. Next one, what is this? This is birthday cap and shape of birthday cap is like cone. So name of this shape is cone. And how many edges it has? How many edges it has? It has only 1 edge. It has only 1 edge. And how many faces it has? It has 2 faces. It has 2 faces. So we will write here 2 faces. And how many vertices it has? It has only 1 vertex, 1 corner here. 2 lines are meeting at one point. So it has only 1 vertices. Okay, this is cone. It has 2 faces. One is in its base. Okay, this is base. One is its base and one is its circular face and curved surface. Okay, so it has 2 faces. So last is sphere. Name of this shape is sphere. This ball is in sphere shape. Okay, this is a ball and shape of ball is sphere. So how many edges it has? How many edges it has? It has 0 edges. And how many face it has? It has only 1 face, that is spherical in shape. And how many vertices it has? It has 0 vertices. Okay, so sphere has 0 edges, 1 face and 0 vertex. So dear students, do these 2 pages in math book. Next page is page number 70, brain teaser. You will do this yourself. Okay, these are the readers for you. Write the names of the readers. this shape in the given space. Okay, so you will do this page yourself. And in second question, search and encircle the names of the 5 shape in the given puzzle. Here you have to search the name of the shape and you have to circle the name of the shapes. 5 shapes you have to circle. So do page number 70 yourself. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, take care.